It is an unthinkable crime that shocked the nation. Today, Lori Vallow was sentenced to life without parole for killing her own children and her husband's former wife. A judge in Boise, Idaho, handed down the maximum sentence for the woman prosecutors called probably the most hated woman in America. Vallow, who never testified in her own murder trial, took the stand today to give a bizarre and rambling proclamation of her innocence.
I mourn with all of you who mourn my children and Tammy. Jesus Christ knows the truth of what happened here. Jesus Christ knows that no one was murdered in this case.
Vallow said she's been visited by her children and her, quote, eternal friend Tammy Daybell in the spirit realm since their deaths. She said she looks forward to the day when they're all reunited. NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu is live in St. Anthony, Idaho, where the sentencing took place. Nancy, what was the reaction outside court?
There is relief here in eastern Idaho for Judgment Day. What did not favor the Doomsday mom at all, who surprised many by addressing the court ahead of her sentence. And it may have only reaffirmed the decision by Judge Stephen Boyce to hand down the maximum. So Lori Vallow Daybell will spend the rest of her days in prison.
You are sentenced to the custody of the State Board of Corrections to serve the maximum allowed sentence of fixed determinate term of life imprisonment with no possibility of parole.
In handing down the maximum sentence on all counts, Judge Stephen Boyce noted that Lori Vallow Daybell offered no hint of an apology when she addressed the court right before. She quoted the Bible and said her children were happy and healthy in heaven.
Kylie has visited me. She is happy and very busy. Kylie is free now from all the pains of her life. He is busy, he is engaged, he has jobs that he does there, and he is happy where he is.
Vallow Daybell even claimed to be visited by the spirit of Tammy Daybell, her husband's former wife, the woman she was convicted in a conspiracy to kill.
My eternal friend Tammy Daybell has visited me on several occasions. She came to bring me peace and comfort. And I know that she is extremely busy helping her family, especially her children and grandchildren. And I have a great love for Tammy.
The three victims remained a focus of Judge Boyce, who noted many aggravating factors against Vallow Daybell and her narcissistic behavior.
While you were enjoying your new life in Hawaii, countless law enforcement officers, family members, and volunteers were searching for your children. And I don't think to this day you have any remorse for the effort and heartache you caused for others who looked for your children when you knew where they were.
The day also included emotional victim impact statements from JJ's grandmother, Kay Woodcock, and from Samantha Gwilliam, Tammy Daybell's sister.
JJ and Tylee could have been with us living happy lives. Instead, she took all that away, all because she is a money-hungry, power-mongering monster.
Planned her murder just as much as you planned the murders of your own children and your previous husband. Why? Why plan something so heinous?
Now, husband Chad Daybell, he remains behind bars and set to face trial for on the same charges in April of next year. Vallow Daybell now faces extradition to Arizona, where she's charged with conspiracy to commit murder. And Elizabeth, that is linked to the 2019 death of her fourth husband, Charles.
All right, lots to keep track of there. Nancy Liu, thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.